Hey, good morning, guys. A couple things here I'm going to go over. One, cosmic rays are going up. The radiation sensors on the moon are showing that they are becoming more and increasing. The USS Boxer shot down a Iranian drone that was too close to the ship. Iranians say they didn't do anything, there was nothing happened, blah, 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 but we say we shot it down. 1/5 of the world's oil goes through the Strait of Hormuz, so we need to be careful in that area about Iran and so forth. They had a tanker missing. It was a United Arab Emirates tanker that was missing in Iranian waters, and they admitted that they took it and the 12 crew, and they gave it back though. So. Also, 500 troops are being sent to Saudi Arabia for the Iranian threat. If anything happens, they're there to do some insurgents and get in there and blow up stuff if they need to. Also, we have F-22 stealth fighters heading there as well in case something breaks out. They're there to strike at a moment's notice. So, things are heating up out there, guys. Just wanted to let you know that we had a 5.3 earthquake out in Athens, Greece this morning. So that's another big thing out there. Tell you, they didn't go for that 5.4 in Bandon, Oregon. I wonder why. That wasn't covered on the fucking news. It showed up on everything else. But, you know, I don't know, guys. It's kind of fucked up to me. But my dog, Smokey, crapped on the floor this morning. And I had to clean that up. And he also got sick. He was shot upstairs and I let him out and he got sick, and I don't like that. He's 13. He's got testicular cancer, which we need to get that taken care of. He had ear infection, so they were trying to get rid of that, but he's still itching. So I'm hoping we can get that done, but I'm hoping that isn't affecting anything else. Shouldn't, but I haven't been feeding him anything and everything else. So anyway, I'm heading in the shower. I'm going to work. Love you guys. Be good. Be safe. Be prepared. Just watch, man, because shit's happening and anything could go at a moment's notice. Love you guys. Peace out.